All right. I never knew that she loved me until she whispered in my ear. She said we should go out dancing. I said okay, as long as they got beer. I picked her up at 8:30. We made the doors about 9:05. I grabbed some beers and found a table. We sat and talked about our lives. She said, I love dancing to the music, something that moves me deep inside. When that band starts playing, I hope you're dancing right by my side. Of course, then the band, they start to play, as bands usually do, you know. And it didn't take so very long. I looked in her eyes and they glazed over. Oh boy, I think they're playing her favorite song. So here we go. And she took my hand and spun me round. Yeah, I got dizzy and I fell down. I could have sworn I was shoved. That's right. She kept spinning circles around, twisting about and knocking people down. That's when I knew I was in love. Oh yeah, I'm in love with a dance floor tornado. You'll never find one like her. If you knew my tornado, you'd be in love with her for sure. Yes, you would. Of course, then the bouncer, he comes over. Uh-oh. He held me up and said, I saw you hit the ground. I think that girl you're with might be some trouble. And boy, you barely made it through the first round. I said, excuse me, I don't think you understand this lovely lady. All this girl really wants to do is dance. I think if maybe you let her prove it to you, you'll see your way to give her one more chance. That's right, and it happened. She took his hand and spun him round, yeah. He got dizzy and he fell down. I said, whoo, ain't she something? I grabbed her hand, we ran for the door. I don't think we're gonna dance no more. We ran laughing all the way, that's right. I'm in love with a dance floor tornado. You'll never find one like her. If you knew my tornado, well, you'd be in love with her for sure. Gotta love that girl.